All right, we're back to trying sodas again. I've tried all of the four flavors of the sparkling ice. Now it's time to look into the flavors I got from the soda pop shop. And today on Cinco de Mayo, I don't know if this is would necessarily fly as a Cinco de Mayo type of celebration, but I'm going to drink what is called Mr. Cola. Drinking Mr. Cola. Drinking Mr. Cola. Mr. Cola. It says this is the aristocrat of all colas. It's got the old fancy English writing. It's got a pull top. This is definitely a rare type of soda indeed. A 58-year-old tradition based on classic flavors. Mr. Cola's clean, refreshing taste, established as the aristocrat of colas, produced and bottled under the authority of Orca Beverage Incorporated, Mukateo, Washington. So this is a soda I've never heard of, soda I've never seen, and now I'm going to see if it's worth my drive. Of course, I got to use one of these old gadgets. Dan, dan, dan. Pop the top. Pop the top. The old-fashioned way. Now we'll see if this is any good at all. Kind of a funky flavor. Definitely different. Not too good, not too bad. I'm going to give it a 7.4.